Hey, look what we're getting. Holy crap. Look at it. Yeah, it just started about 2 minutes ago. We were sitting eating supper and all of a sudden, BAM! Unreal. Oh, it could be worse, right? It could be snow. It's raining so hard, the gutter can't take it. Woo! Cold out too, boys. Chilly, chilly, chilly. Look at this crap. Jesus. Amazing. Yep. Letting up. Yeah. Keeps up, it won't come down, right? Oh. Some wild, nasty weather we're having all week. It's supposed to be like, not go above 50. Not even supposed to make it to 50 this week. No, I'm cold. I'm going in. That's what we're getting right now, boys. 5:15, Tuesday afternoon. Unreal. Take care. Peace out.